Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Sabrina Hawk, Assistant Teacher of Science, National Ideal English Version School, Deship. Dear students, hope you are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. Today I am going to take a science class for class 5 student on the based on short question answer and CBQ answer from chapter 5 and chapter 8. And this is our revision class. Dear students, let's move for our today's topic. This is our lecture number 30. First, we will discuss chapter 5's competency based question answer. The first question from chapter 5, you hold a cup of ice water, your hand become cold. Your friend says that it is cold because the cold from the cup moved to your hand. Is it correct or not? Explain why. The answer of the question is hot or cold, two states which are defined by presence or absence of heat energy. When we hold a cup of ice water, cold cannot move from ice water to our hand because cold is just absence of heat. So our hand become cold because of cold moving from ice water to our hand is not correct. Actually, heat energy moves from our hand to the ice water by conduction. Heat energy always moves from hot place to cold place. As heat energy is transferred from our hand to ice water, there will be a large decrease of heat energy in our hands. We know absence of heat energy is cold, so our hands become cold. The next question, competency based question from chapter 5. Question is, why does ice transform into water? Why is milk a liquid substance? Write 3 reasons. Write 1 way to remove water attached inside a bottle without sweeping with the help of anything. The answer of the question is ice transforms into water if heat is applied to it. 3 reasons why milk is liquid substances are: first one, the molecules of milk are closely arranged but not as close as in solids. Second one, the molecules of milk have a little space to move around. Third one, the molecules are randomly arranged but not as random as in gases. And last one, the water on the inner surface of the bottle. This is the last question answer. Last part of the question answer. The water on the inner surface of the bottle can be dried up by applying heat. Dear students, now I am going for the next question. This is also competency based question and this is also from chapter 5. Write the name of the smallest particle of matter if a piece of stone is dropped into a glass filled with water. Same water gets spilled. Sorry, this will be some. Some water gets spilled. Which feature of matter is responsible for it? Write in a sentence. Which energy is responsible for the shaking of trees during storm? And last part of the question is write 2 pieces advice on how to stop wastage of energy in houses. The answer of the question is the name of the smallest particle of the matter is atom. The feature of the matter that is occupied space is responsible for the water get spilled. Wind energy is responsible for shaking trees during storm. 2 pieces of advice on how to stop wastage of energy in houses are: first one, turning off lights, fans, etc. after use. Second one, turning off gas stoves or heaters after cooking. Dear students, now I am going for the short answer question. of chapter 8. The name of the chapter is the universe. In our previous class, we have already discussed up to 1 to 3 short question answer from chapter 8 to from 4 we will start today. What is the difference between planet and satellite? Answer is a satellite is a smaller than a planet and it moves around a planet, whereas a planet is much bigger and a planet moves around a star like our sun. And question 5 is why temperature rises in the summer? The answer is in summer the sunlight shines more directly on the northern half of the earth, giving more energy. This causes the temperature to rise. Question number 6 is what does happen when the northern hemisphere of the earth tilts towards the sun? The answer is when the northern hemisphere tilts towards the sun, it is summer there, while it is winter on the southern hemisphere at that time. Question 7 is what is called the earth's rotation? The answer is the spinning motion of the earth on its axis is called earth rotation. The question number 8 is what is called the universe? The answer is numerous galaxies and the spaces among them combined together is called the universe. Question number 9 is what is the name of the thing that revolves round the earth just like the earth revolves round the sun? The answer is the moon is the only satellite that revolves round the earth. The question number 10 is how many planets are there in the solar system? The answer is there are 8 planets in the solar system. And dear students, you can write the 8 planets name with this definition with this number. Question number 11 is what is galaxy? The answer is the cluster of a large number of stars similar to our sun is called galaxy. And last question, question 13 and it will be 12. Question 12 is what is lunar month? The moon takes 28 days to complete its cycle. This is called lunar month. That means the moons take 28 days to make a cycle around the sun. 28 days moon need. That's why these 28 days indicate a lunar month. Dear students, I have finished my today's topic. Hope you have understood. If you feel any problem, you can contact with me. I have given my contact number and my messenger ID on the board. Keep practicing, learn all the previous question answer and practice the exercises. Read the chapter properly. Stay safe, stay home. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.